Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I got a package. I've been waiting this. I've been waiting for this since like August, but it finally came. Oh wait, it's upside down. I ordered the Happier Than Ever, the Blohsh necklace, and it finally came. So here it is. I got Happier Than Ever right there. Let's open it. So I haven't opened this yet at all. All I did was open it like this, and then I closed it, and then put it back in the thing for the unboxing video. So I haven't opened it yet. Okay. Ooh. It packaged it nice so it doesn't get ruined. But here it is. Let's open it. And here it is. Got the rhinestone necklace. It's so pretty. I've seen so many photos of it, and I'm like, oh my god, I need this. And I finally got it. But here it is. Sparkly. Go back. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.